That means the number is from 0 to above. Taking an example of a program, write 8051C program to send the values 00 to FF to port 1. In that case, we basically have 0 to FF for all positive values and all of 8 bits. So unsigned character Z. So how many values we have? We have 255 values. So out of these 255 values, my count will also be 255. So considering that, okay, what we can do, we can choose the count to be 255. So from 0 to 255, I am counting the values and sending it to port 1 as per his requirement. Going to the next program. Write a C program to send hexa values from ASCII character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C and D to port 1. So I'm just writing all of them in the form of an array. Count, I basically have 10 characters and I am calling it as all are positive, so unsigned character, and I'm calling it as an array. Array is my number. So from 0 to 10, count is incremented and that value is set to the prescribed output port. Next program. Write a C program to toggle all bits of P1 continuously. Okay, so what pins we have? P1 will have 8 pins. So if I want to toggle them, alternate pins to be on and alternate pins to be off. In that case, P1 is 55 and after that making P1 as AA. And I have to repeat it forever. So I can use a ever ending for loop or a while loop. Here I am taking an example of a for loop. Now coming to unsigned integer. Unsigned integer basically 16-bit as discussed. Okay, so here we'll be counting from 0 to 255. So totally how many counts we basically have? We basically have 256 counts. Okay, so 8-bit microcontroller, we basically have 2 microcontroller. The signal, if you are not, the type, if you are not prescribing integer, will be taken as unsigned. Okay, signed means same 0 to 255 is divided by 2 and you will have the count as such. SFR, if you are using any ports or special function registers like P0, P1, Pmod, T, IE, whatever we have taken here. Okay, so we will be basically concentrating on SFR, anything related to hardware. Let us see an example. Write 8051C program to perform the following operations. Send 00 and FF to port 2 and port 1. Read port 1 and send it to port 3. Read port 1 and send it to port 2. Simple operation, just reading and writing the values. Is it not? So here, SFR P1 is equal to 0x90. Address, internal addresses. P2, P0, P3, P0 and initializing them using the concept called as SFR. What should I do next? What should I do next? I am using those names P1, P2, P3. First I am sending 00 and 255 as per question bit 1. Then reading the value of port 1 to X. X is a variable, I have declared it. Send it to the port 3, the second bit of the question. Next, read the value, okay, and also send it to port 2 as prescribed in the third bit of the question.